In this video, we're going to talk about solving systems of equations by elimination. So clearly, first, we need a system of equations. Now, we want to eliminate one of the variables. You will notice that we have a positive 3y in the first one and a negative 3y in the second one. So if we add those together, we will eliminate the y term. And that gives us 9x equals 18, so x equals 2. Now, just like with any other solving a system of equations, we plug that in to the first equation and we solve for the second variable. In this case, we get y equals 4/3. So the solution to this equation, or rather system of equations, is the ordered pair 2, 4/3. Now, that's not always possible to just add the 2 and get something to be eliminated. You'll notice here, it is not the case where we could just add the 2 together and have something eliminated. You will perhaps notice, though, if I multiply the first line by -2, then I'll have a negative 10x on the first one and a positive 10x on the second one. And then I'll be able to add them together and eliminate my x terms. Now, it was possible for me to multiply the second line by something and eliminate the y terms, but I chose to do the x. Either way works fine. Now, when I add the two equations together, the x's are eliminated, and I get negative 14y equals 14, and therefore y equals -1. Now, just like with any other system of equations, we plug in the value we found from the first variable into one of the original equations to get the value of the second variable. In this case, x equals 9/5. So the answer, or the solution to the system of equations, is the ordered pair 9/5, -1. Now, what if I can't easily multiply one equation by a single number and get it to be eliminated? Well, here's the case. However, if you notice that if I multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 3, I can eliminate the y values. And when I do that, I get 10x plus 15y equals 20, and 9x minus 15y equals 3. Add those together, I get 19x equals 23, and so x is equal to 23/19. And you guessed it, we're going to plug that into one of the original equations and solve for y. So we get 2 times 23/19 plus 3y equals 4. That means that 46/19 plus 3y equals 76/19. That 76/19 is what 4 turned into. And so 3y equals 30/19. In other words, y equals 10/19. And so the solution to this system of equations is the ordered pair 23/19, 10/19. So in any case, what we do is we eliminate one of the variables and then plug that back in to one of the equations to find the other variable. And sometimes you don't have to multiply anything. Sometimes you have to multiply one of the lines, and other times you have to multiply both of them. And don't worry, this will get easier with time.